everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a different menu today, and it's very common recipe and it's cooked in all household. It's pakora, so you get this item, you can buy it in the shop, you can prepare it. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes. And let's start off, let's get cooking. Thank you. So for this pakora item, I've got here 1 kilo of gram flour. You can buy this in any local store. We call it, in Bengali we call it vegetable flour. So here I've got 1 kilo of that, and then I'm going to mix the onions that I've sliced earlier on, thinly sliced. So I'm going to add about just maybe 1 onion. Then here I've got some spinach, baby spinach leaves. Again, you can pick these up from anywhere, local shop. Broccoli. So I'm going to use all of them, just few pieces of broccoli. Cauliflower, just few pieces of cauliflower. Green chilies here, cut thin and long, so when it fries it's all spiky. I've got 2 eggs here, so I'm just going to pour that in. A few coriander leaves. Red chili flakes. Salt here, I've got salt, about 2 teaspoons. Tumeric powder, haldi. So not much, just 1 teaspoon should be fine. And lastly, jeera. I've got some cumin, jeera powder here. So just 1 teaspoon should be fine. So I'm going to mix all this. Now I'll add the water. I've got 1 liter of water here, so I won't need 1 liter of water. Let's see, as I mix, I will know where to stop. So you don't want it too soggy. So once I mix, I'll show you how much we need. So this is it. I've added enough water for its preparation. If you have a look here, it's quite sticky, but it's not runny. You can see. Let's leave this to set and then we'll fry. For the pakora, what I've done is I've got a deep frying pan with lots of oil because it's deep fry. So I'm going to put this in one by one. And this will need to be cooked here for about 3-4 minutes, and then I'll turn it over. So now I'll let this fry for about 3-4 minutes. As you can see, it's all splitting up from one another. So now you can see it's gone golden color and it's gone very crispy and puffy. So the vegetables cooked inside. So let's just turn this over for a few more minutes, maybe another 2 minutes, it should be fine. Okay, as you can see, it's all ready now, ready to be served. It's cooked, the inside is done. So now it's all ready to be served, so I'll take it out. So here we are, I've cooked the menu. And it's still warm, so during Ramadan you'll cook this item about 10-15 minutes before, so the fluffiness stays. So I've done my cooking, so here we are. So do let me know how your pakoras go on, and do try to make them at home. And any problems, any hiccups, just let me know. Just comment me below and I'll guide you how to prepare this item. Once again, thank you very much, and do keep watching me and subscribe. Thank you.